Hi, hello. Good day, students. Today, we are going to study about multiples. At the end of this topic, you should be able to describe what are multiples. State the multiples of 1 to 2-digit numbers. Are you excited? Okay, let us identify what are multiples. Do you know that the multiples of a number can be obtained by multiplying the number with a set of counting numbers? Okay, how do we do it? We will multiply number to the counting numbers. And the counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. And the answer is the multiples of that number. Okay, let's have an example. For example, we are going to find the multiples of 10. So to get the multiples of 10, we are going to multiply 10 with the counting numbers. So here are the first 10 multiples of 10. So here we multiply 10 times 1, 10 times 2, 10 times 3, 10 times 4, 10 times 5, 10 times 6, 10 times 7, 10 times 8, 10 times 9, and 10 times 10. The numbers 1 to 10 are the counting numbers. And the result, in multiplying 10 to the counting numbers, those are the multiples of 10. So the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. These are the first 10 multiples of 10. Okay? And the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. So 10 is the smallest multiple of 10. So always remember that again. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. And you should also remember that multiples of a number are infinite. Okay? It means never ending. Okay? So let me give you more examples. So here, let's have the first 10 multiples of 7. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. Let's have the first 10 multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. The first 10 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Okay? And do you know that we can find the multiples of a number by doing skip counting of that number? In this method, we should memorize, or it is important that we memorize the skip counting of a number. So here we have the first 8 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. As you can see in our illustration, the first multiple of 4 is 4 and the second is 8. And to get the second multiple of 4, we have to multiply 4 by 2. Okay, look at the pattern. To get the third multiple of 4, we will multiply 4 by 3. To get the fourth multiple of 4, we multiply 4 by 4. Okay? And to get the 8th multiple of 4, we will just multiply 4 by 8. Okay? If you don't memorize the multiplication table. And here, the multiples of 11, the first 8 multiples of 11, we have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, and 88. And the first 8 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48. See? To find the multiples easily, it is important that we memorize the skip counting of a number. Okay. But if you don't memorize the multiplication table or the skip counting, don't worry because we have another way. It's the repeated addition. Okay, this is how we do it. So for example, here in our illustration here, in our first illustration, I have shown you the um, table of multiplication by 20, and here we found out that the multiples, or the first 10 multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, and 200. But how can we do it using repeated addition? Okay, we are just going to repeatedly add 20 the number. Okay, so as you can see here, the red numbers are the multiples of 20. You are just going to add 20 repeatedly. Okay, so that is how we use it. So you can just pick the easier option for you. Okay, so let's try to answer the following question. What are the first 5 multiples of 3? Okay, you can do the skip counting or multiply 3 to the counting numbers, to the first 5 counting numbers. So the answer, the multiples of 3, the first 5 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Let's have the next question. What is the 8th multiple of 5? To answer this question, just have to do skip counting by 5 or simply multiply 8 by 5. And that would have an answer of 40. Next, what is the missing in the sequence below? So we have 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and the missing number. As you can see, this is the skip counting by 15. But if you don't memorize the skip counting by 15, just have to multiply 15 to 6, since the missing term is in 6th place. Okay, so 15 times 6 is equal to 90, or you can just add 75 plus 15 if you use repeated addition. Next, what is missing in the sequence below? Okay, so try to figure out what multiples are given. So we have the multiples of 12. So 12, 24, and the missing is 36. Again, you can just multiply 12 by 3 because the third order or the third term is missing, or you can add 12 to 24, since we are looking for the missing term in the multiples of 12. Okay, next, what is the smallest multiple of 35? Okay, remember, the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. So it's 35. Okay, so I hope that you learned our lesson for today, which is all about multiples. Again, remember, multiples are obtained by multiplying the number with a set of counting numbers, and the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. And you should always remember that multiples of a number are never ending. Okay, it has no end. So that's all for this video. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.